5 penny stocks under $2 a share to watch next week for some juicy swings. What is happening, investors? It is your boy Jack. I am not a financial advisor. I got the clothing line to prove that fact. And let's speak about some penny stocks, baby. So today we're going to have 5 companies that are worth putting onto your watch list for next week. Now these are some cheap, highly volatile, highly momentum based companies. You will see the first one on the screen is HCMC. A lot of you guys are probably aware of who these are. They have been going absolutely insane as of late. So I do want to stress that from the very beginning, my friends. Penny stocks in general carry an awful lot more risk than a lot of the standard longer term investments that we do. They can go amazingly and we can make lots of money, but always do be aware of the risks. And also remember, when it comes to swing trading, you can bet on the price going up or on the price going down. But today we're going to be having a look at these 5 companies anyway. Give you guys some things to go and research over the weekend. So my friends, right before we do get into today's video, could I please ask you to hit that juicy like button? Maybe drop me a comment down below. Let me know a few stocks that you're watching for next week, a few penny stocks to swing. And please, my friend, if you are indeed new around here, hit that juicy red subscribe button and join the family of investors, baby. We're trying to get to 100,000. Also, if you are interested in joining my private Discord group, that is the first link in the description. In there you get access to all of my buy and sell alerts, join a community of over 2,500 investors, get access to over 50 private channels. This first company you're going to see on the screen today, we actually did buy at 0.0013, so we're up very nicely in this one. And if you'd like 2 free stocks on Webull, all you got to do is hit that second link in the description, sign up, deposit $100, you get some free money. Happy days, baby! So let's not waste any time, straight into the first one of today. Healthier Choices Management Corp. And you can just see by looking at this chart that it has been absolutely insane. So I got in somewhere right around here, 0.0013. I don't remember exactly what day it was, but anyway, we've pretty much always been in the green or trading a little bit sideways. And you will see it was the 8th of February when we really took off, and you will see this green candle here. We went from lows of 0.0016 to highs of 0.0048. I mean, this is the kind of insanity that this company sees. And since then, we actually made highs of 0.0065. Now look guys, I only have a small position in these guys. I have 1 million shares, which sounds like a lot, but it is a very small position for what I'm used to, especially at the entry price I got. I see this kind of as like the highest risk, highest reward play that there is out there. I know a lot of guys in the Discord are actually getting at 0.0001. I saw one guy in there, I think he's up like 6,000%. That's the kind of stock this can be, and I mean, he's still holding his shares. He's crazy. You can see though, when we look at the chart, it's obviously extraordinarily unhealthy. There are huge up moves, huge down moves. The technicals have pretty much been in overbought territory for a considerable period of time. On the daily, we can easily move 20-30%, so it's an absolutely insane stock. But if you're looking to swing trade, it can be one to have on your radar. You can play the technicals on this one and make some nice quick money. What is interesting though was back February 8th, remember when we had this very large up move here, this came out. They announced a sale of $5 million of preferred stock, convertible into common stock, initially at a 150% premium to the company's most recent closing price. So this was very odd to see, and this is what really led to this huge upward movement in the first place. But then the main reason people were getting involved with this is because there was a patent infringement lawsuit against tobacco behemoth Philip Morris International, and that is why I got involved in the first place as well. So for me, I have, a little amount of money in them to the extent where I'm just willing to hold, and I'll probably either end up getting out with a little bit of profit or making a whole lot of profit. On to company number 2, REZZF. A lot of you guys, again, probably aware of these ones, for good or for bad, okay? They've been going on this absolutely incredible run throughout February. Again, if you look at the price now, it's about 90 cents a share. If we go back to the end of January, it was literally at about 10 cents a share. So a huge run up, but you can also see from those peaks, those highs of 152, we have came all the way down to about 90 cents a share. Now, these guys are Global Battery Metals Limited. And again, this is actually one that I know a lot of guys personally who are going along on. Now, I haven't done a full analysis into these guys, so I can't tell you if they're worth investing in, etc. But we can swing anything. Look what happened February 8th. We went on this huge run up from, let's say, 80 cents a share all up to those peaks of 150, and it's been coming down since then. On February 8th, there was a corporate update, and the company has received approximately $1.1 million in gross proceeds from the exercise of a lot of previously issued share purchase warrants and stock options. The capital gives us increased flexibility in any other growth opportunities. The name probably gives it away, they're in battery metals. And what's quite interesting is they have this Leinster lithium project in Ireland, where I am from. Not very often we get to speak about a company that is in Ireland. But yes, that is why these guys are getting hyped. Okay, there was the corporate update and their lithium, and anything that is lithium turns to gold right now. So I'm going to be watching these guys. We'll see if there's any potential reversals or any, potential to get in there for a long-term hold even later on. Now we have ZSAN, okay? It's at about 160 163 a share. Look at this, 8th of February again. What a crazy day it was for us all. We went from about 110 all the way up then in after hours. They reached highs of about 252 before coming all the way back down to about 161. Now this was a classic example of Reddit moving a stock. A lot of you guys will have probably seen this post here. So you'll see here it has about 6,000 upvotes and it's very, very bullish. You see it says 508% upside. There's lots of DD here. A lot of people got behind this. That led to this huge run up, but a lot of people took their money away. So it was a pump and dump, quite frankly. But a lot of people have actually now researched this company. It's been put onto a lot of people's radars. And I know personally that there is quite a few people interested about this company now. And they actually had made highs of about $3 a share, not $2.50 as I said earlier, apologies. So a near 50% retracement so far. What I've noticed about hype stocks or even pump and dumps in the past, usually they don't just have one wave. It's not usually up and then down. Usually there's a few different waves. There's ups, there's downs, there's sideways, there's ups, there's downs. It's all over the place. I think a lot of people know about this company now. There's probably a lot of people still holding and a lot of people who are going to be willing to invest more. So I think we could see some more, quite large volatility going forwards. That's the main reason it's making it onto my list for today. Again, I had a little bit of a look into this company. I personally don't plan on holding them long, but I do want them on my watch list. I actually had them last week. Thankfully, I didn't pull the trigger because I didn't like what the technicals were saying, because we would have lost a lot of money. Okay, this is a very interesting one. Okay, we have LKCO. So you'll see it's about 159 a share and it's Lukung Technology Corp. You see, the market cap's at about 400 million, so it's not the smallest penny stock in the world by any means. Not to say it's a big company at all, but you get what I'm trying to say. And you'll see they actually had a 32.5% move on Friday. So there was actually a $15 million capital raise on Friday. And it's very interesting that this led to the upward move because the shares were priced at 0.888 cents a share. They do say they intend to use the net proceeds for working capital and general corporate purposes. Now again, I've spoke to a couple of people about this one and a lot of them actually seem to be looking at them as an investment rather than a trade. I haven't done my full DD yet. I more than likely will. We are devoted to providing the most efficient and most dependable spatial temporal data services worldwide. I've seen these guys be compared to Palantir. Now again, I haven't done my full DD yet. I hopefully will over the weekend because from what I've seen so far I am interested. But there could be potential here. So again, this is a 5 stocks to watch next week. I'm adding this one to the watch list. Okay, now this one's $2.01 a share. The market cap is only at 150 million and you'll see they went up 41% on Friday. We're looking at ticker symbol SHIP. Synergy Maritime Corp. Now there's really only one reason this happened, is because of this. Okay, they soar after regaining NASDAQ compliance. Now we hit highs of about 220, they came back down and closed at 191ish. I'm interested to see what happens next, guys, because if we actually do go and look back through their chart, you can see just some nice steady growth in all honesty. So we might see some profit taken, maybe it's going to get pulled back down here, but we can start looking towards some previous area of resistance, maybe some areas of support, and maybe get a nice reversal on this one. Because when a piece of news like this does come out, you know what I mean, it leads to this huge big up move. A lot of people are going to run away with their profits and it's going to artificially bring that stock price back down. Now I can't say I have much interest in the company. I mean, their dry bulk shipping company, it's just not that interesting to me, but if I can make money, I'm going to make money. Now, of course, there's a lot more penny stocks out there, my friends, but there are 5 penny stocks under $2 a share that you can add to the watch list this week. If you watched this video all the way till the end, you, my friend, are a true legend, and I really do appreciate you being here from the bottom of my heart. Your support means the world to me. If you did enjoy, could I please ask you to hit that juicy like button, drop me a comment down below, and please, my friends, subscribe if you're new around here. Also, if you are interested in joining that private Discord group, again, that's the first link in the description, my friends. All of my buy and sell alerts, over 50 private chats, over 2,500 investors in there. It's juicy. If you want those free stocks on Webull, that's the second link. Anyway guys, I hope you all have a beautiful, blessed day. I'll see you up in another video very soon. Peace.